Hello, my name is Dr. Julie Wei. I am privileged to serve as the new Division Director for ENT here at Akron Children's Hospital. I am deeply humbled and honored to be the recipient of the Dr. Alfred J. Magellan Endowed Chair in Otolaryngology. This endowment represents Dr. Magellan's legacy and immense impact he has made for decades in our communities throughout Northeast Ohio as an otolaryngologist. On behalf of the division, I want to express our deepest gratitude. With the funds from this endowment, the division will focus on increasing patient access, including resources to enhance hearing, communication, and educational partnerships to amplify our impact. This endowed chair also inspires future endeavors in research and innovative programs and procedures. Thank you again to Dr. Magellan for your generosity and support of all the children and their families who come through our doors.
Hi, my name is Dr. Joseph Congini. I'm the Medical Director of the Sports Medicine Center at Akron Children's Hospital. This is my 36th year in this position. I'm really thrilled today to get to say that I am the current shareholder of the Scala Family Endowed Chair in Sports Medicine. I've known and worked closely with Mr. Bill Scala for a long time. He's a man that I've admired around this town for a long time because of his generosity. We do have a lot of needs right now. We've moved into a new center at the University of Akron, and we want to afford the kids the best care that they can get. We have a beautiful center here, but we do still have some needs in the Considine building, and some of the funding from the Scala Family Foundation would be used in many different ways. One of the things is research, and we've done a lot in the area of brain injury or sports-related concussion. Some of the funding that we've been given will allow us to continue to bring in the best and brightest in the country to be a part of our team ongoingly. Again, I'm so totally moved by the Scala family for having the confidence in us to help continue to build this center in sports medicine as what we think is one of the finest in the country. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Maria Strand. I am the chair of the new Department of Neonatology and Perinatology here at Akron Children's Hospital. I'm also the inaugural holder of the Thomas R. and Mary Lynn Crowley Endowed Chair in Neonatology and Maternal Fetal Medicine. It is such a gift to have this unrestricted funding that allows us to really explore opportunities within neonatology and maternal fetal medicine to work to optimize care of both premature and sick newborns and their moms and families as they move through a complicated pregnancy. I expect we will have a wide array of activities that are supported by this generous funding. The things that come most easily to mind are seed funding for research to spread knowledge and insights into care for these complicated children into the medical literature. We could also use it for professional development and bolstering the work that our faculty and advanced practice providers provide here in the NICU and in our maternal fetal medicine clinic. I'm very grateful for the generous donation from the Crowley family and look forward to really impacting care for infants and their families here in the Akron region.
I'm Dr. Shefali Mahesh. I'm the Chair of Pediatrics at Akron Children's, and I have the honor of holding the Dr. Noah Miller Endowed Chair in Pediatric Medicine. Dr. Noah Miller was the first pediatric resident at the Akron Children's newly formed residency program in 1927. He was held in high regard by his peers as an excellent diagnostician, one who kept up with current literature. It would only be fit to continue that legacy in the use of the Dr. Noah Miller Endowed Fund. I use the fund to support the professional and scientific development of our faculty and residents. Our community counts on us to deliver cutting-edge scientific care. Stimulated and fulfilled faculty deliver high-quality, evidence-based, and compassionate care to patients. I'd like to thank Robert and Susan Burke for their generosity and for supporting our caregivers in building a healthier community. Children are 100% of our future, and they deserve no less.
Hello, my name is Eva Sigathy, and I'm the Lois C. Orr Endowed Chair in Pediatric Psychiatry. As chair of our new department, I'm really delighted to be using the funds to support the leadership infrastructure by creating the divisions that will help our many kids that have great mental health needs. We're organizing our department into outpatient, inpatient, acute care, and consultation liaison medical divisions. And each division will really leverage our entire workforce, from our mental health therapists, our nurse practitioners, our psychologists and psychiatrists, to provide comprehensive care to the kids that we serve. In addition, we'll use the funds to begin to lay the foundation for a research infrastructure across the department, so that as we transform care, making our care higher quality and more accessible to more kids, that we will be able to study the outcomes. Thank you, Mr. Orr, for your contribution and for your mentorship in this new leadership adventure.
My name is Matt Ginsberg, and I'm one of the staff neurologists in the Neurodevelopmental Science Center. It is an honor to serve as the new James F. and Marguerite A. Pearson Endowed Chair in Neurodevelopmental Sciences for Rare Diseases. I'm really excited to get started with this project and with the new Rare Diseases program. We're excited to work towards becoming a leukodystrophy care center and to honor the work of the Pearsons and their support, as well as their granddaughter Elise, who is continuing to teach me, and I know a lot of my other colleagues, about rare diseases and leukodystrophies. We are excited to put the great gift that the Pearsons have given us to work by getting the support of additional nursing staff and to build the program bit by bit. So thank you so much for your support and help.